चला इंग्रजी शिकूया या अंतर्गत आपण आज ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्रमांक 9 चा सराव पाहणार आहोत. तुम्ही दोघांनी केला आहे. ठीक आहे, पाहूया.
Hello Priyal, good morning. Hello Prati, good morning. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is English. What do you do at school? I learn and play. Who's your class teacher? Mane sir is my class teacher. What do you like about school? Recess. What do you bring to school? Uh, my school bag, water bottle, and lunch box. Thank you.
ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्रमांक 9 चा सराव होता तुमचा. थँक्यू. आत्ताच प्रयास आणि तन्मयने ॲक्टिव्हिटी क्रमांक 9 चा सराव सांगितला आहे, त्याचप्रमाणे तुमचासुद्धा.
Hello Shuri, good afternoon. Hello Kalyani, good afternoon. Ishwari, what's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is math, Kalyani. Ishwari, what do you do? What do you do at school? I learn and play. Ishwari, who is your class teacher? My class teacher is Yuran Mane sir. Ishwari, what do you like about school? Recess. Ishwari, what do bring to school? My school bag, water bottle, and lunch box, Kalyani. Thank you.
थँक्यू.